everyone, this is Esther. Today I'm going to show you how to make jam that is out of Roselle fruit. So here I have the Roselle fruit. You can have a look. Here it is. Look at this, how beautiful. So this is it. To make this jam, I'm going to use only 3 ingredients. That is the Roselle fruit, water and sugar. So this is it. And yeah, let me tell you one thing, apart from making jam out of this, you can also store it. If you want to use it as an ingredient, that you can dry this fruit for the off season and make use of it. And even the leaves, you can store it for off season. So I'll show you. I have dried some Roselle leaves. That is, I need to get ready for the off season, right? So that is the reason. Here it is. This is the Roselle leaf. It tastes very good with pork. And yeah, in the villages we also make use of this along with taro. We call it as mani hansarapan. So that is very tasty. So this is it. Before we proceed ahead with our today's recipe, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please do subscribe and also hit on the bell icon so that you get notification on our new videos. So let's get started with our today's recipe.
Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and do click on the bell icon to get notification on our new video.
So first of all, I'm going to separate the petal and the seed because I don't require the seed. I'll only make use of the petals. So let's do it like this. The seed, if you want, then you can dry it in the sun and you can plant it. I made this jam last year also, and I gave to one of my friend, and today I called her in the morning and I told her that I'll be making this again, and she told me to give her also. So let's see how it comes out. Alright, so here I have done separating the petals from the seed, and I have also washed it. So now I'll be boiling this for some time. After that, I'll be showing you the next step. So let's put it in the pan and cook it. This is it. Now I'll add some water. Make sure that you don't use much water because like it will take more time to boil it, so just a little bit of water. This will be okay. So this is the amount of water I have used. So now let's cook this for some time. Cover it with the lid so that it gets boiled faster. Alright, so now let's have a look. Oh my god, it's boiling so beautifully. And look at the color. It's natural color. Oh my god, how beautiful. See this. Okay, now let's blend this in a blender. now we will add some sugar, and then we will boil it again for some time. I'll add the sugar. I'm using about 250 grams of sugar because, yeah, if you want you can use more sugar, but I don't like it very sweet, so I'm using only about 250 grams of sugar. Well, after adding the sugar, it has become more thick. Make sure that you cook it in a very low flame and keep stirring it. So this is it. You can see it's done now. And now I'll turn off the flame and let it cool. And after that, let's see what we can do with this. It has already cooled down now, so I'll store it here in a bottle. So we are done with our today's recipe, that is Roselle jam. Here it is. I have bottled it. Here I got some extra. Look at this. You can store it in a refrigerator and you can use it whenever you want. Yeah, you can have it this as a juice, or maybe if you want you can have it with bread also. I usually have it with bread because it tastes so good. I'm going to eat even now also. So let's taste it. Wow, look at the color. It has no artificial color. Let's eat. Oh my god, so tasty. It has sour, tangy, and sweet taste. I like more of it, so I'll use a lot. Add some water. You can add some ginger and drink it with cold water also, but I mean warm water. But I'm using cold water here. If you want, you can add more sugar. That is according to your taste. Look at this, the color has changed. As I said, I don't take sugar much, so that is the reason I'm not adding sugar here. Otherwise, you can add sugar. Let's taste it. Oh my god, this is better. Guys, you should try it. This is really very tasty. Let me finish it first. It's so tasty. Oh my god. So good. So friends, this is our today's recipe, and you should try this recipe at least once. Even, I mean, if you haven't tried, because it is the this is the right season, because like even if you don't have at home also this plant, you can buy it from the market. Because even me, I don't have a plant, but I bought it from the market and I made this out of it. So you can try it, and yeah, please do let me know how it tastes, because for me it is simply wow, amazing. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll be coming back again with another video, so do keep watching. Thank you. Bye.